in the system of equations above, k is a constant. So these are the two equations that have been given to us, and we know the first equation is the equation of a line and the second is the equation of a parabola. And when these two equations are graphed in the xy plane, the graph intersects at exactly 2 points. And we need to find out which of the following cannot be the value of k. So basically we need to find out the value of k for which this line and parabola does not intersect at 2 points. Now before we start, we know this parabola has to be a downward facing parabola. We don't know what this coordinates would look like, and the only way this parabola and line will intersect at 1 point or less than 2 points would be either this line is parallel to the x-axis or this line is parallel to the y-axis, because if this line is inclined to the x-axis in any way, this will cut the parabola at 2 points. So let's just see for what value of k this line will be parallel to the x-axis or the y-axis. So let's start with option A here. So this would be 3x plus y is equal to 1. So we know this 3x plus y would be something like this, because when x is 0, y would be 1, and when y is 0, x would be 1 by 3. So we know this will again cut the parabola at 2 points definitely, because our parabola will be either like this or something like this. It will definitely cut the parabola at 2 points. So we can eliminate option A here. Let's go to option B. It will be 2x plus y is equal to 1. Again this will be something similar. The only thing is this line will look something like this, and we can eliminate option B as well. Let's go to option C. This would be x plus y is equal to 1. So this line will look something like this. Again it is inclined to the x-axis and it will be minus x square plus, so our parabola will be something like this, and this line will somewhere cut this parabola at 2 points. So we can eliminate option C as well. Let's go to the option D, which we know is the right answer, but however we will again plot it. So this would be 0 into x plus y is equal to 1, which implies this line would be equal to y is equal to 1, and hence this line would be parallel to the x-axis. And when x is 0, this graph will look something like this. So we know and this parabola will be y is equal to minus x square because k is 0. So we know this is our combination of line and graph will look like when k is equal to 0. So we know when k is 0, the line and graph will not intersect at 2 points, and hence that cannot be the value of k, and hence option D is the right answer.